Hi, how you doing? I'm Saikon from affiliateship.com. So today we're going to talk about how to become an expert in your affiliate niche when you're completely new. So one of the key activities in affiliate marketing is about giving value and sharing your knowledge and about your niche using a variety of methods such as product reviews, how-tos, trainings, etc. This is so that your audience knows you, likes you, trusts you, trust your advice, and potentially buys the products that you recommend as an affiliate. But what if you're just starting out? You've decided on a passionate niche that you're interested in, but you're not an expert or have little knowledge about the niche. If that's the case, then it's okay, because you don't necessarily need to be an expert right away before you start. You just need to be a bit more knowledgeable than the person that you're sharing your knowledge with and your tips with. So I'll also say it another way, which makes more sense. You just need to be one step ahead of the person that you're teaching or you're sharing your knowledge. This way, you're likely to be considered to qualify in some way to teach that person, because you know a little more than them. If you also look at the word expert in the Google Dictionary, it says a person who is very knowledgeable about or skillful in a particular area. If you agree with this definition, right, then to reach an expert status, I believe you just need to learn more, engage and practice more of what you learn in your niche or industry. Obviously, this strategy may vary from industry to industry, and some fields may require a qualification accreditation to attain. For example, when it comes to health, certain health and safety related issues, related niches, you definitely don't want to give out medical advice or safety advice or whatever, right, if you're not qualified to do so without the relevant qualification experience. But for many industries, you can simply go with the strategy of learning, applying and teaching in order, teaching and sharing in order to achieve the expert status. So let me share with you a popular example of someone who a lot of people consider an expert on a specific neat topic, including myself. So Russell Brunson, co-founder of ClickFunnels, a marketing software company, is viewed by many people as one of the most renowned marketing experts. If you research into Russell's career, you'll learn that all he did for the past 2 decades, I believe, is to immerse himself in the world of marketing, in the field of marketing. He engaged in marketing his various products, services, creating marketing software, training courses, books, events, and a lot of things all centered around marketing. And through these activities and actions, he shared his knowledge with his audiences as he progressed through his journey in marketing. You're likely to see Russell or hear him on podcasts, YouTube, and online on various websites. Russell even appeared on a hit TV show, The Profit, with Marcus Lemonis, and he provides some consulting on some marketing, on funnel building and stuff like that to some of the business owners that appeared on the TV show. Now, I may be wrong, but as far as I know, Russell didn't have to go to university to study a degree in marketing or anything similar. He did it by simply learning, practicing his passion of marketing in every way he could for a very long time. I believe he started in his early 20s, and now Russell is in his late 30s. Russell shares his knowledge of his marketing experiences with his audience consistently, and to this day he continues to provide so much value to his audience and fans, including myself. That's why we see Russell as a trusted authority and expert on the subject of marketing, and we're happy to learn from him and buy the stuff he recommends. It could be his own products, it could be his affiliate products that he promotes, and stuff like that. So when you think about it, just like Russell, anyone can apply the exact strategy in order to be perceived as an expert in a particular field. As I mentioned, some industries may require qualifications, certifications, but if you have to do all that, then just do it, right? If you're really passionate about it. For example, if it's health related in a niche that you're in, where you should have some sort of recognized qualifications, right? People expect that. Then you can still share your journey towards attaining your health related career qualifications, stuff like that, right? Whilst you're studying and working towards it. So it's still possible to build an affiliate website, around your specific health niche, by simply journaling your thoughts and opinions and views on everything that you learn and experience whilst you go on your journey, work towards your journey to achieving your qualifications or your career. And if you're passionate about a certain health related product, for example, sticking to the example of health related stuff, right? Then, if you're passionate about a certain health related product, which happens to have an affiliate program and you want to promote it, then it's also possible. It's possible by simply sharing your user experiences and opinions about the products and services in a review format, right? For example, review format, testimonial format as well, right? For example, if you go to Amazon website and see the user reviews on various health related products such as supplements, then you'll notice that they are from people, everyday people, a lot of times not experts, right? Just users, consumers, right? People who use the product and review them. And you certainly do not have to have qualifications to talk about, stuff, products like that in, for many different types of products with this approach. So, however, one important thing is you should do definitely is always to have a disclaimer so that your audience knows that you're not giving out official health advice and they're just your personal views and opinions. Okay, so to sum it up, you can certainly become knowledgeable and an expert in an area by simply immersing yourself in the topic or subject and consistently over a period of time, or forever if you're passionate enough, right? And immersing yourself could be in the form of using the products and services, educating yourself on the subject matter, implementing what you learn, sharing and teaching what you learn, using it, practicing it, and then just consistently sharing stuff. And when you share and teach what you know, you'll be potentially providing value to the next person who may be just a level or step below your knowledge or skill level in that area, in that field, niche, industry, whatever, right? That's when that person may perceive you as an expert in his or her eyes. When it comes to the internet, that one person could turn to hundreds and thousands and millions of people around the world. Ultimately, these people will listen to you. They know you, they like you, they trust you enough to see you as their expert and possibly buy the products that you recommend as an affiliate. Okay, so that's it for this video. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment. And if you like more stuff like this, visit fellowship.com/newsletter. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video and all the best.